Netrek is the original internet team game. First implemented around 1990, 2 teams of up to 8 players fight for control of the galaxy. Playing Netrek requires a client application. If you are on a Mac, you can download my Netrek client, implemented in Swift, from the macOS App Store. It is free and open source. If you are on a Windows or Linux box, netrek.org contains links to other clients. This demo is using my macOS client. When first learning, it is best to play as guest. This does not require setting up an account, but does not save your statistics between games. If you want, you can set up a custom username and password under the Login Information menu. Netrek uses an obsolete and unencrypted protocol. Do not reuse your Netrek password with any other site. Use the Select Server menu to pick a server. Pickled.netrek.org is a standard Bronco server and is good for beginners. There are 4 teams, but only 2 are active at a time. The client will try to pick an eligible team for you, so setting your preferred team should not be necessary. Use the Launch Ship Cruiser menu to launch a ship. Cruisers balance maneuverability with combat power. Once you gain experience, you can use smaller or larger ships. Starbases are restricted to experienced players. Battle cruisers are only valid on some servers. Your cruiser has 100 shield points and 100 hull points. Use the S button to toggle your shields. Shields show up as a circle around your ship. Turning off your shields helps you repair your hull. Turning on your shields uses more power. Your shields gradually repair themselves regardless of whether they are turned on. The left mouse button fires torpedoes. The middle mouse button fires your lasers. The right mouse button sets your course. The numbers 0 through 9 set your speed. The faster you go, the more energy you use, and the harder it is to turn. 5 is a good speed for dogfighting in a cruiser. In this game, I'm one of up to 8 Federation players playing against up to 8 Roman players. Federation are yellow and Romans are red on this client. When I get close to an enemy ship, the border of my tactical screen will turn yellow and then red. The right side of my screen is the galactic screen. There are 40 planets in this galaxy. Initially, 10 belong to each team. Hitting capital R will stop my ship, lower my shield, and activate repair mode. This repairs my ship more quickly. Being stopped will gradually refill my fuel. Moving or raising shields will take me out of repair mode. Hovering the mouse and hitting L will lock onto the nearest planet or player. You will change course and move towards the locked planet. If you are slow enough, you will enter orbit of the planet. Locking onto and orbiting a planet is useful for refueling, repair, and bombing. Friendly planets with the fuel can on the right refuel you rapidly. Friendly planets with the wrench symbol will repair you more rapidly if your shields are down. Hitting capital R while orbiting a planet with the wrench will repair you very quickly. Planets with the people symbol mean there are more than 4 armies. Enemy planets with more than 4 armies can be bombed by hitting B. You earn kills by destroying enemy ships. Each kill allows you to beam up 2 friendly armies by hitting Z. You can beam them down to enemy planets by hitting capital Z. Attacking armies are traded for defending armies. Beaming down 1 extra army will capture the planet. The goal of the game is to capture all 10 enemy planets and genocide the enemy species. The bottom left of the heads-up display has a list of players, including robots. The bottom right is where you can chat with your human team members. Experienced players will be happy to help you in the chat window. Pay attention to it. Those are the very basics of Netrek. Check out netrek.org for more about the game. Netrek, being 35 years old, is only played by humans intermittently. Subscribe to the Google group Netrek Forever to get announcements of upcoming games. In the meantime, practice against the robots.